What's up, guys? As I was editing this video, the first video with my intro, I actually filmed on my phone. Why, I don't know, but I couldn't get it to get over. Then when I finally got it to get over, you could hear all the sound, but you could not hear any, or you couldn't see any video. So, in this video today, my grandma and I actually went to the Houston Auto Show. It was a lot of fun. All these clips are from that show. We did the Jeep experience. It's just an all-around fun show. It was my very first time at an auto show, so I had a lot of fun. So sit back, relax, enjoy the clips.
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness.
Dreams about us.
I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch.
So we just did the Jeep experience. That was fun. We went 18 feet up in the air, 33 degrees on the Rubicon. We did the Gladiator. It was crazy. So now we're just gonna get back to it, take a look at everything that we got here, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Enjoy the little montage. Forgot to mention too at the beginning of this video, we're at the Houston Auto Show. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot of big brands. Everybody's here. Some people are showing their new things. Ford showed us the new Mach E. It's great. Might be a little loud in here, but that's all right. Other than that, you know, we're just gonna take a look at everything we got. We're gonna see new things from them big brands. We're gonna see new things from different like sport tuners, stuff like that, manufacturers. So just hang on with me. We'll go along for the ride.
I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over, yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby, yeah.
Still looking over your shoulder, still working on your defense. By now you think it's all over, 'cause you worry too much and you don't know what you fight against. And if you want my opinion, I'll let it take me away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes, turn it up, 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 turn it up. Now don't you worry, not a single bit. It's like a voice in my head, and now it's time to reveal it. It's a floor killer beat, and we dance like we back from the dead. And if you want my opinion, I'll let it take me away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes, turn it up, 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 turn it up.
You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do.
Alright, so that was the Houston Auto Show. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content coming to you in the future. You guys have a good one.